Section 18. The next letter we are going to learn to write is a consonant. The sound is Y. Y for yellow. I want you to find the letter Y on page 18 in your book. Page 18 looks like this. We are going to work with the sound Y. Say the sound and words after me. Y. 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 For yoke. Y for yacht. Let's read it again. Y for yoke. Y for yacht. We are now going to practice writing the sound Y. Put your finger on the first Y. I'm now going to show you how to write the sound Y. We start on the middle line. We're all in the tummy and the tail. We're going to do a straight up like an but give it a tail with a hook. Trace it please with your finger. I'm going to show you again. So the Y is an with a tail. We start at the top. We're going to make an sound, but we're going to give it a tail, so it is a Y. Trace it with your crayon. Now that you have traced the first letter here, please put your finger on the second letter. I'm going to show you again how to trace the letter Y. Please trace it with your finger. And now trace it with your crayon. Now that we have traced the second Y, let's go to the last Y. Put your finger on the last Y. I'm now going to show you again how to write the letter Y. We make it round up and give it a tail. Please trace it with your finger. And now trace it with your crayon. Let's read it again. Y for yoke. Y for yacht. Now that you have practiced writing the sound Y, see if you can write it on your own. When you have finished writing the Y, you can color in your block yellow. Y for yellow. This color is called yellow. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. Now go to Classroom 1, Section 19.